New cases of COVID now rising to the highest point since mid-February in this country, and daily hospital admissions are now projected to rise in nearly every corner of the nation over the next 4 weeks. We'll show you the map here tonight, a picture of the spread. A third of Americans now live in areas where they are raising the risk level to medium or high risk again. Areas there in yellow and orange. Orange, of course, the highest risk. The CDC again recommending wearing masks indoors. Tonight, New York City at the highest risk level. The mayor saying put on the masks indoors, but not requiring it yet. Tonight, 48 states now are projected to see hospitalizations rise in the coming weeks, and raising these risk levels means they're already seeing hospitals and healthcare systems under increasing pressure and a rising death toll. The White House tonight warning that without additional funding from Congress, not everyone will get new vaccines if a new surge strikes this fall, as they expect. And tonight here, the CDC could soon give the green light for Pfizer booster shots for children 5 to 11 as soon as tomorrow. ABC's Whit Johnson leading us off tonight.
Tonight, COVID hospitalizations again on the rise, up more than 60% in the last month. And now a new projection shows nearly every state will see more Americans with COVID going into hospitals in the next 2 weeks, and more patients will die.
In areas where community levels are high, everyone should be using prevention measures and wearing a mask in public indoor settings.
137 counties nationwide now in the high-risk alert level, meaning there is increasing pressure on the health system. New York City also in that category, but for now officials are resisting a mask mandate, instead only recommending them indoors.
We are not allowing COVID to outsmart us. We're staying prepared and not panicking.
And tonight, the White House sounding the alarm about the need for Congress to act on COVID funding.
We will find ourselves in the fall or winter with people getting infected and no treatments available for them because we will have run out.
It comes as the CDC is expected to recommend boosters for 5 to 11-year-olds as early as tomorrow.
I started looking online right away to see about scheduling a shot for her. To have the booster is just an extra level of assurance.
Pfizer says its booster shot is safe, and an initial analysis found it increased antibodies against Omicron 36-fold.
A lot of parents are going to be asking, if I get my child this booster shot, will my child need another shot this fall? And the simple answer is we just don't know. But it's important that we focus on the ways to protect everyone right now while we're seeing cases rise all over the country.
New child COVID infections are at their highest point since February, and hospital admissions are now climbing too, up 70% in the last month.
And Whit Johnson back with us live tonight. And Whit, we know the second booster is now available for Americans over 50. We also know more than half of eligible Americans have not gotten even their first booster yet. And tonight we took note that the CDC guidance on these boosters has shifted for people weighing when to get that second booster shot. They're essentially now saying, if I'm correct here, you'll let me know. If you want to wait because you suspect you might have a greater need for a booster in the fall if there is a surge, the CDC saying they're now okay with that?
Exactly, David. The CDC now says it's okay to consider waiting to get that second booster shot if you've specifically had COVID within the past 3 months, or if getting the shot now would discourage you from getting one in the fall. That's when health officials are hoping to roll out the next generation of improved vaccines that could help head off another winter surge. David.
All right, Whit Johnson leading us off tonight. Whit, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.